Hi guys! I didn't say I was going live, but somehow we had a pit stop on the way to dinner and we're here, so I thought I would hop on and show you guys what we've been working on. Hopefully someone will join, even though I didn't say I was going live. It's like a beautiful evening. Wind's blowing. Feels great. Alright, well, I'll go ahead and get started. So, obviously, from the before, we took out this was all cinder blocks, and then they had like mortared over it. And so, if you've been driving by or watching our posts, you know that we took all that out. So, there had been just a big gaping hole, but hi Lynn, hi Nicole. Now it's framed back in, so like this will be a piece of glass, this will be a piece of glass, so all of these will be like big windows, and then those will be windows.